Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you another paper airplane. This one is quite interesting because it actually flies like a bird. That kind of makes those kind of movements. So you need one A4 size piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So you start with folding the sheet in the middle like that, as precisely as you can. Use your fingernails if you like, or scissors like that if you want. Then you unfold just like that and grab this corner and fold it to the middle like that. Press. Same thing with the other corner, just like that. As I said, precise, especially with this plane, you need to be precise. Otherwise it's not gonna fly properly. Just like that, and then you grab that end and fold it in half, just make sure this fold meets with this one too, and the same thing here too. So that's how it this is how it should look like right now. Then you basically fold this thing around here, so where this point ends, you just fold this end like that, and you unfold like that. And what you do, this is where you need your scissors, you cut this bit off. You don't need it, you will need it later. Don't throw it away, so you just put it aside. Then you grab this bit, fold it in half to the middle again, just like that. Unfold and grab this corner, and where this cross of folds is, this is where your point will be. So you have to press hard. Same thing with the other side. So if that's what you have so far, then you fold this bit just like that. Oh, actually, it's probably better if you fold it like that, just like that. Unfold it. You will need this crease later, this fold, and then grab this end and fold it where just the one where the fold is when you just created. Yeah, use your fingernails or something. And then you fold this back. That's what you have so far. Then you flip over like that, and fold it in half. Make sure these two meet, and also these two, like that. So we put this aside for now. Come back to the leftover piece of paper and cut it in half where your fold is. So yeah, so you don't need this one anymore. Only one. Fold it in half just like that. And open it slightly like that, and grab your thing and open it and slide it just like that in. See? Just slide it all the way to the end. So you end up with that. And then you turn around like that and start folding. I do it kind of in the middle, that fold, so you can actually, depends where you do that fold, it flies differently, so you can experiment with that, you can let me know. So that's one crease, one fold, turn around, and you do the other one. Just like that. So that's pretty much it. You just straighten it up, look from the back mainly, to make it nice and even. And I like to kind of finish it off with these to cut off. I don't like them very much. Just like that. So that's pretty much it. And as I said, this thing looks or flies, even looks and flies like a bird. Thanks for watching.